Hello, 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 and welcome. My name is Wale. I live in Dartford in Kent, the UK. I am starting this vlog series. I want to be the first. Well, I don't know. I probably am the first steamy blogger or vlogger rather. I shall be posting fairly regular vlogs, daily vlogs. I shall be telling you about my life, my weight loss. I'm trying to lose weight, so we're going on that journey together. I am an e-entrepreneur, so what that means, I shall be discussing that in subsequent vlogs. This is really just an introduction vlog. This is my house. I shall be giving you a house tour in subsequent videos. You'll be meeting my partner. You'll be going with me on journeys. We'll be exploring together, going through life, the build up to Christmas, etc. So it'll be a fun-filled, fun-packed thing. So I'm starting this as an experiment just to see how it goes. Let me know what you think about it. The feedback will be in the upvote, so please upvote this just to encourage me, to let me know if it's something you're keen to see. I will be uploading fairly regularly, at least 3 to 4 times a week, building up to a daily vlog. I want to be there. I'm not sure if I'm the first steaming vlogger, but you can see I'm not an expert yet because I'm not yet able to hold the camera properly, but that will come with practice. So I'm not quite sure if I'm the first steaming vlogger, but I certainly want to be the first daily Steamit vlogger. So you'll be seeing my face fairly regularly. Follow me on Steamit. Let's go on this journey together. Leave a comment, leave me an upvote. Let me know how you want this to go, and let me know if you think this is a good idea, and I shall catch you on the first full one. You'll be meeting my partner, going through my life, seeing what I do and how I do it. It'll be a fun-packed thing. Can't get the words out anymore, so I shall end it there, and I shall catch you on the first full one. Peace. I feel I should sing, but I won't. So bye.
Colo mentality.
If you say if you